Hello, welcome to your channel. This is a fantastic gift idea for the ladies, fellas. If you know you ain't buy the lady nothing for all of her life, get her this right now before it's too late. Okay? And ladies, you should get one of these. If you don't have a guy in your life yet, you're trying to get that guy, you're trying to attract that person, get this device. Take out your selfies the best you possibly can and get it to that guy. I guarantee he's going to fall in love with you. He's going to want to make you his wife for life. No, I'm just joking. Disclaimer, ignore. Right? But really, I mean, come on. This is a device that a lot of young ladies would dream to have. A lot of them actually is having it right now. If it is, you are being left out, please do something about it. Click the link below. Get this item before it's gone. Now, we only bring quality items to you, so it doesn't matter which company we go to or whatsoever the case is to bring this link to you so that you can purchase these products, okay? As long as we know we are delivering quality products to you, that is very important, because we don't want you to buy one thing and then have to send it back and then we ain't get our commission or whatsoever the case is. All right, I've been straightforward with you guys. I look for the best quality, because if I don't want something for myself, I'm not going to give it to somebody else. That's how I do it. I don't care about the rest of salespersons or the rest of whoever big heads talking out there and telling you get this and get that, and by the time the end of the week it done destroy or whatever the case is. I am not into that bull beep. Okay, so this is an excellent product, great quality. I've given you a great link to get this product for the best possible price. All right, so get it, ladies. Come on, do something. You're home, you're getting bored. You can share your selfies too. No, you don't have to take out a picture of yourself alone. I mean, you can take out a picture with your pet, take out a picture of Ethan. I mean, something. Come on, come to life. Come on, get this. All right, I'm gonna share you the link in the description below of this video. Please click it, check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a little feedback, send me a comment. Please don't forget also like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, it is a very informative channel. I bring you the best products as I possibly can on a daily basis. So let's get going. All right, BAAM.